Hey guys, Candida here. Check out this 3-in-1 breakfast making station by Nostalgia. Not only can you make your coffee, but up top on the griddle, you can cook your bacon, your sausage, your eggs, all of the good stuff. And then when it comes time to toast, you've got a toaster oven here on the bottom. This is just an all-in-one, so not only can you make breakfast foods, but if you want to make cookies, you can throw them in the toaster oven, you can throw your pot pies, anything like that. And you can have coffee while doing it. So this little 3-in-1 breakfast maker has been great. It's small and compact, so it fits right on the counter nice and well. But I also love it for apartments or even dorm rooms. This is going to be a big hit. So I hope you found this review helpful.